A number when divided by 5 leaves remainder 3. What is the remainder when 5 divides the square of the same number? Now from the first sentence we can get the number n as 5q plus 3. Now if we square the number, then this will get squared as well, and we can apply the formula of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square, that is 25q square plus 2ab. So that becomes 30q plus 3 square, that is 9. Now this n square is divided by 5. Okay. So now we divide each term individually by 5 and we get the remainder. So 25q square upon 5, we can see 25 is a multiple of 5, so there will be 0 remainder from this term. 30q upon 5, again 30 is a multiple of 5, so therefore we will get 0 remainder from here. Now 9 divided by 5, we get a remainder of 4. So therefore in total we get a remainder of 4 when we divide n square, that is square of the number, by 5. So option C will be our answer.